Hello from Onangera. In today's video I'm going to show you beaches, restaurant and nightlife. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Coming home to me, down the riverside flowing, knowing she's still there. I can't see where she's going.
Aonang beach area has many resorts, but Seeker is the best choice. This resort is very close to the Aonang beach, just walking distance. 950 baht with the breakfast buffet, and breakfast is very nice. And this resort, you can see the video is very nice. There is a very big balcony, very nice mountain view, and highly recommended this resort. Seeker Resort has very nice swimming pool and very nice bar and restaurant. Hello from Aonang Beach. I'm having my best Thai tea in front of Aonang Beach and very nice weather. And just wanted to tell you there is no mask mandatory. Krabi and Aonang area is a mask free area. You are free to go without mask. No one asks you to put mask on. If you are coming to Aonang, and you should rent a bike, this Mr. Cod motorbike rent shop is very nice lady. You're going to get 160 baht per night, and the rest are 200 and 250. This shop offer you 160 and just few steps from the beach. I'm going to show you the beach road, the famous bars and restaurants around. Everything is open. I didn't see anything closed. Finally, I can see in 2 years Krabi is going back to life. Aonang beach area is fully open. Nighttime, bars, restaurant, everything is open. Finally, Aonang and Krabi back to life. It's totally normal. So many people. Just giving you a walking tour of Aonang beach. Beach is very nice. It's a bit rainy weather, but beach still looks good. Best part of my journey is I really love motorbike tour. So let me show you around with the beach and restaurant with the bike tour.
Daylight on the horizon, shining back at me, makes me think of my baby coming home to me. Down the riverside flowing, knowing she's still there. I can't see where she's going, but I hope it's near. Life ain't what it seems. There's still a part of me that's trying. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding. Don't let this go. Don't let it fall away. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Just don't let go. Don't let go. Daydreams falling like raindrops non-stop, making plans. All I ever have dreamt of falling through my hands. Life ain't what it seems. There's still a part of me that's fighting. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding. Don't let this go. Don't let it fall away. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Just don't let go. Don't let go.
Welcome to No Parahatara Beach. It's very nice beach, just 5-10 minutes from Aonang. Just come to morning, buy some food, eat next to the beach. It's very peaceful. So many food stalls before entering the beach. Hat No Prahatara beach is just 5-10 minutes from Aonang beach area. This beach is more pretty and less crowded, and you just have to walk inside and you're going to explore more beaches inside.
I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been? Broke my arm in December. We were running for the thrill. You turned in the canyon to the snowbank where I fell. was easy to find. When I let down her bridle, saw into her hazel eyes. We had a deep understanding, never had to use a bit. Was a mutual arrangement and an honest respect. Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been? Will she keep on moving onward? Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright morning dew. We brushed and we braided dandelions.
No Prathara beach and surrounding. Let me show you around how it's look
Was
like.
a mutual arrangement we both saw into. But can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside in the bright morning dew? We brushed and we braided dandelions and chewed. It was a mutual arrangement we both saw into. But can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been? Broke my arm in December, we were running for the thrill. You turned in the canyon to the snowbank where I fell. Even still, I remember knowing she could feel it too. Was a mutual arrangement, we both knew what to do. She had a star on her forehead that was easy to find. When I let down her bridle, saw.
Aonang nightlife is finally back to normal. So many restaurants, bars are back to life. This Aonang night market has many people. You can see live music with the delicious Thai food or any food that you like. Bring the food, enjoy the music.
I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out.
Let me give you the idea about Aonang nightlife area where so many restaurants close to the beach. You can see that everything is open, shops, bars, a restaurant, cafes, everything is open, and you can see so many people are there.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky, I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. I feel, I feel, I feel, I feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach